What is Reporting King? It's a software to transform a raw data file into a stunning report in less than 3 minutes. Just upload your Excel file in the app. Then it's all drag and drop. Drag and drop the fields on the charts. Reporting King has a seamless, fast user experience and a responsive canvas engineered for instant, beautiful design. To analyze your data, simply add the fields in the top bar. You can transform your file into an interactive dashboard in seconds and dig deep in your data with high flexibility. With Reporting King, you can customize the charts and design within the app as you swipe through colors and styles. You can write text and print beautiful reports and presentations instantly. A new speed and a new process. A drag-and-drop software for your analytics and presentations in multiple formats in a fraction of the time. How many hours do you spend reporting every week, every month, every year? What if you could do it in minutes instead of hours? What if you could do it with Reporting King?